Artificial intelligence. You've already read about artificial intelligence in earlier classes. AI is the branch of computer science that aims at creating expert and intelligent computer systems which simulate certain human qualities such as learning, reasoning, communicating, seeing, hearing, and sensation. So, AI is used to create intelligent machines that help us. AI is a part of almost everything we use today, such as smartphones, cars, and banks. Some main areas of application of AI are expert system. It can be defined as a communicating computer program that can solve problems which would otherwise require human assistance. These programs replicate the reasoning process of experts in certain areas. For example, Prospector was the first expert system that analyzed geological data to identify and locate mineral deposits. Natural language processing. It is the study of methods by which computers can recognize and understand spoken or written human language. Speech recognition software are an example of NLP, where computers translate spoken speech into text. Intelligent agents. It is a type of computer program that has built-in intelligence, which keeps a check on the work patterns, asks questions, and performs tasks on the behalf of the user. The simplest example of intelligent agents is surfing the internet. What happens when we search for something on the internet? The intelligent agent searches the internet and the available databases for information and compiles the result for you after filtering it based on your previous surfing history. Pattern recognition. This type of software comprises of a camera and software which together identify repetitive patterns and establish connections between the patterns stored in the database and the perceived patterns. Facial recognition software, video surveillance cameras, fingerprint identification, and automatic voice recognition software are some examples of pattern recognition software. Robotics. Shaky was the first robot to use AI to navigate. It was developed in 1970. There are so many robots that use AI, such as Rosie and Roscoe, are used in hospital to supply medicines. Robodoc performs hip implant surgeries. Roomba and Scuba can do housework such as cleaning the floor, etc. Intelligent apps, iApps. Intelligent apps are software written for mobile devices based on artificial intelligence and machine learning technology, aimed at making everyday tasks easier. This involves tasks like organizing and prioritizing emails, scheduling meetings, logging interactions, content, etc. Some familiar examples of iApps are chatbots and virtual assistants.